So here in this problem we have to evaluate the double integral, which is the double integration over region R sine x square plus y square dA, and the region R is defined as 16 is less than or equals to x square plus y square, and which is less than or equals to 81. Now we have to solve this integral by using polar coordinates. Now let me show the region first. So this is our graph. This is our x-axis, this one is the y-axis. Now this is the region R. This dashed line, it shows the region R. Now we have to evaluate this double integral on this region R, and we have to use the polar coordinates. So for polar coordinates we know that we have to put x as r cosine theta and y as